know influencers like Lil Miquela, Aitana Lopez, and Shudu Graham don't actually exist? They're 100% AI generated, and they're making millions online. From luxury brand deals to virtual merch, these digital creators are revolutionizing influencer marketing. But how can you create and monetize your own AI influencer? In this video, I'll share 7 proven ways to turn your AI influencer into a cash machine. Let's dive in. The first and most common way to monetize your AI influencer is by offering exclusive content on subscription platforms like Patreon, OnlyFans, or Fanvue. Fanvue is especially awesome for AI influencers because it's designed to help them monetize their content effectively via chatting with fans and selling PPV, which represents 80% of the revenue generated for these AI influencers. You can share behind-the-scenes content, tutorials, or even personalized messages for your biggest fans without being banned. For example, you could create a Fanvue tier where subscribers get access to exclusive videos, early updates, or even custom content created just for them. Also, you can withdraw your earnings in crypto in just a few seconds. This not only creates a steady income stream, but also helps you build a loyal community of fans willing to pay for premium content. It's a great way to deepen your connection with your audience while making money. If you missed crypto, SMMA, and dropshipping, 2025 is definitely the year where a lot of people are creating their own AI influencers and making decent money with them. Now, here's something extra for you. Apart from this, Imagine Education developed an in-depth program about how to create and monetize AI influencers, similar to how Aitana Lopez did it for $47. However, if you add at checkout the word iHustle, you'll get a 50% discount. All right! Next up is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win. Your audience gets great recommendations, and you get paid for it. For example, if your AI influencer is in the fitness niche, you could partner with supplement brands, workout gear companies, or even fitness apps. Share your affiliate links in your posts, videos, or bio, and watch the passive income roll in. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank are great places to start. Just make sure to disclose that you're using affiliate links to maintain trust with your audience. Third way is selling merchandise. Your AI influencer can have its own merch line. T-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, or digital products like wallpapers. Use platforms like Printful or Redbubble to design and sell without holding inventory. Merch builds a stronger connection with fans while generating income. Aitana Lopez, for instance, has a successful merch line. Fourth way, brand collaborations and sponsored posts. Brands love AI influencers for their uniqueness and scalability. Partner with brands that align with your influencer's niche. For example, if your AI influencer is into fashion, collaborate with clothing brands. Platforms like Aspire IQ or Upfluence can help you find opportunities. Lil Miquela has worked with Prada and Calvin Klein, earning thousands per post. The key here is to create content that feels authentic and aligns with the brand's values. A well-executed sponsored post not only earns you money, but also strengthens your AI influencer's credibility. Fifth way is licensing your AI influencer. License your AI influencer's image or voice for campaigns, video games, or movies. For example, your AI influencer could become a virtual assistant or a video game character. Licensing deals are lucrative and expand your influencer's reach. Pitch creatively to relevant industries. Sixth way is hosting virtual events. Host live Q&A sessions, webinars, or virtual meet and greets. For example, a fitness AI influencer could host a paid live workout session. Platforms like Zoom or YouTube Live make it easy to monetize events while engaging directly with your audience. Seventh way is creating and selling digital products. Finally, your AI influencer can create and sell digital products. This could be an ebook, an online course, presets, or even templates. For example, if your AI influencer is a fashion icon, you could create a course on how to build a personal brand or sell Instagram presets for aspiring influencers. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy are perfect for selling digital products. The best part? Once you create a digital product, it can generate passive income for years. It's like having a money-making machine that works even while you sleep. There you have it, 7 proven ways to monetize your AI influencer. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tips. Don't forget to check out Imagine Education's program with code iHustle for 50% off. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.